Now we're pushing all of the shrubs that have been torn out, the trees and the shrubs. We're pushing them all up to the top of the tank, and then pushing them to one area, and then pushing them over the top of the berm and into a pile for disposal later in the season. The one thing to remember about these trees is these trees are not indigenous to this countryside. These were brought here by people way back in the 1800s, 1700s for shade in the desert. And if you can see those brown pods are just like bean pods. They're full of seeds. And these things, these pods are eaten by many animals, but they are also deposited all over the desert, and these particular trees go crazy in the desert. They have very long roots, and they go deep into the desert floor, and they choke out all of the water that goes to the indigenous grasses and flowers that originally resided here. And so what we're doing is we're removing these plants, or these trees, and we'll never get them all, because the beans will still reseed. Any roots that are left in the ground will start up new plants. So we're trying really hard to clean cut it. This tank hasn't been maintained for maybe 20 years, so these trees are anywhere from 20 years to older in this particular tank. And once we get it all smoothed out, it will again grow grass and retain water. And another thing about the roots of these particular trees is they weaken the sides of the tank and cause leakage, and then the tank doesn't hold water. So there's a lot of positives to doing this. It's just a lot of work, and it's really hard work even for this size of a dozer. It really is working hard, and I take my time and I let the machine cool down regularly.